What's up, guys? Philemon Shepo here, and in today's video, guys, I'll be talking to you about why people don't really invest, right? Why they don't want to invest into paid marketing, into paid courses, into themselves, basically, right? So you want to look at this way, right? People don't want to invest because they are afraid that it's not gonna work, right? They have doubts, right? And the moment you have doubt about something, and the moment you're doubting something, you already lost, right? The moment you're like, I don't really think it's gonna work. Should I? Should I not? Right? You already failed with that. So that's why they don't like to invest, right? Because think about this, right? If everyone just got everything for free, right? Let's say I'm giving away this free mouse, right? Let's say I'll give it away this free mouse to everyone. Give away free mouse, right? People 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 who have it 100% they will run for it because it's free. It's free, right? But the moment it breaks or it falls down, he or she does not care about it anymore, right? They don't care about it anymore. And why? It's because it did not hurt them financially, right? Or it did not hurt them like, hey, this is my thing, right? This is my thing. I got it with my hard-earned money, so let me keep it safe. No, they do it because it's not there. So even though it's false, he, they don't care, right? I don't care because it's false like that. Because it's fall down, I don't really care, right? Because it's free. But and that's why people want to go on with three things. Because if you're going on with three things, you're like only on on the edge, 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 right? And then for you to move forward with your business, you have to invest into something at a certain point, right? You have to invest into something at a certain point. But for those McDonald's or let's say those Walmart big companies, why for them to have those big companies, they had to invest into something. They have to build in. You have to invest into land to where you're going to build your billion-dollar franchise. They have to invest into the product that you're gonna sell, right? And that's the same thing with affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship online, right? You have to invest into yourself in a certain way, right? Either it's physically, mentally, or whatsoever. You have to invest, right? You have to at least like buy books or listen to audiobooks, just like reprogram your brain, rewire your brain, and let it think like a machine, basically like an entrepreneur should, right? Because not everyone knows everything. So you need that information that you don't know, right? And you need to invest into like certain courses, like how to be a tycoon or a guru at Facebook ads or at Bing ads or whatsoever. How to be good at email marketing if that's what you want to be. And you have to invest into those things at a certain point. And people don't want, they just want the free thing. Without you realizing free thing has no much value. Where have you ever seen a person giving out something for free that has much value? I'm just giving it out for true, right? Everything that is for free does not have as much value as something that is not for free, right? Because if it's free, why should I give away? For example, the person is giving away a course for free. Let me tell you the truth right now. If that person is giving away a course for free, that course is already on the internet, right? It's already, if you Google the same titles that are in the course or the videos related to that, they say the same thing because it's for free. They just took out the information from the internet or things, right? All those free ebooks that we give out. It's information that you already have or that you took from the internet already, from YouTube videos and Facebook on those platforms, right? But if you find something for paid, a 997 course that's gonna change your life, you're not gonna find those information on the internet because the other person also invested money into paid thing to get the knowledge that is selling to you. And for you to get that knowledge for free, who are you? Even though you get it for free, they're not gonna use it wisely. They're not gonna use it wisely because you don't care. You don't care because it's not your knowledge, right? Because it did not hurt you. But the moment it hurts you financially, I'll be like, hey, shit, this course really cost me much, so why don't I take it seriously? Because it's my last dime. This is my last 600 bucks, right? So let me invest into this course and let me take it seriously, right? And you will actually take it seriously because it's your life's money you spend on it, or it's because you spend money on it. But the moment it's free, you'll be like, ah, what the heck? I can get another free course, right? So that's why the people don't like to invest in two courses. They like to play it safe, which is absolutely wrong. So thank you for watching, guys. My name is Philemon Shepo, and if you want to check out my number one recommended section, link the first link in the description that will take you to there. That is teach me everything I'm teaching you right now and more stuff that you're not even allowed to speak on here. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and peace.